Prepare to witness the unexpected. China's aviation industry is rewriting the rules. In this video, we delve into the remarkable rise of Comac and its game-changing C919 aircraft. But amidst China's ascent, one burning question remains: are traditional aviation giants ready to be dethroned? Stick around to find out more. Washington's excessive focus on China's semiconductor industry neglects another crucial sector, impacting both jobs and national security. Comac's 14-year journey led to certification for the C919 aircraft in September 2022, marking significant progress since its 2008 inception as a state-owned enterprise collaboration. While its first product, the ARJ21, made waves, the C919's emergence stirred the aviation industry, with China Eastern Airlines alone ordering about 1,000 aircraft. This trend, though domestic, significantly impacts global manufacturers like Airbus and Boeing, causing economic losses, notably felt in the U.S. Aircraft and related exports, once a cornerstone of U.S.-China trade, are dwindling. Before delving into the historical trajectory of aircraft, let's rewind through time to explore the genesis of flight. Throughout antiquity, humanity harbored aspirations akin to birds, evident in mythological narratives depicting winged characters. Over millennia, individuals diligently endeavored to fabricate flying contraptions, ranging from rudimentary kites to sophisticated supersonic crafts. An early instance of human flight innovation was the kite, utilized as early as the 6th century AD, notably in China, where prisoners were compelled to conduct test flights from elevated city walls. Initially mirroring avian motion, these early flying apparatuses exhibited rudimentary designs and lacked practical utility, gradually evolving in complexity over time. In the 15th century, Leonardo da Vinci conceptualized intricate aircraft designs, albeit unsupported by the scientific advancements necessary to validate their flight capabilities. Despite his pioneering sketches, da Vinci abstained from physically constructing these aircraft. The 18th century heralded the advent of manned flight with the invention of the hot air balloon, a pivotal milestone in aviation history. Concurrently, foundational principles of aerodynamics, propelled by advancements in fluid dynamics and Newtonian mechanics, laid the groundwork for modern aviation. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers catalyzed the dawn of global aviation by orchestrating the first controlled sustained flight, lasting a mere 12 seconds and spanning a distance of 37 meters. Their groundbreaking achievement epitomized the realization of humanity's long-standing dream of aerial conquest. Despite its rudimentary nature, their aircraft marked a paradigm shift, embodying principles of heavier-than-air flight, propulsion by engines, and occupant control. In 1908, French aviator Louis Blériot revolutionized aircraft design with the introduction of the monoplane featuring a tractor configuration. This innovation propelled aircraft through the air, offering enhanced performance. Blériot's breakthrough culminated in 1909 when he piloted his Blériot 11 across the English Channel, securing a prestigious 1,000-pound prize. In September 1913, another French pilot, Roland Garros, achieved a historic milestone by crossing the Mediterranean from southern France to Tunisia. Initially utilized for military purposes, aircraft gradually evolved into indispensable assets for passenger and cargo transportation. Today, following pivotal inventions that laid the groundwork for the aviation industry, China has emerged as a significant player, boasting a diverse fleet of modern aircraft. The evolution of aircraft has been marked by continuous technical advancements over prolonged periods, showcasing the ingenuity and bravery of innovators. Aircraft represent the pinnacle of modern transportation and military capabilities. Despite their popularity, the construction of aircraft remains a challenging endeavor, necessitating advanced techniques. While Airbus and Boeing dominate the aircraft manufacturing landscape, numerous other influential manufacturers worldwide contribute to the industry's rapid expansion. China's entry into the commercial aircraft market, exemplified by the launch of the domestically produced C919 passenger jet, signals a significant milestone. This development fuels expectations for the expansion of China's aircraft manufacturing supply chain, further cementing its position in the global aviation sector. Nonetheless, China still grapples with technological reliance, a concern that came to the forefront during the maiden commercial flight of the C919 aircraft on the Shanghai-Beijing route in May 2023. This milestone marked a significant stride in China's quest for technological autonomy, particularly within the aviation sphere. As the world's second-largest economy, China aims to diminish its reliance on Western entities, exemplified by the state-owned China Commercial Aircraft Corporation's development of the C919, positioned as a competitor to Boeing's 737 and Airbus's A320. Escalating tensions between the U.S. and China have further propelled Beijing's drive for self-sufficiency in aviation manufacturing. The export of aerospace components, including engines, from the U.S. necessitates licenses from the Department of Commerce, reflecting Washington's apprehensions regarding potential dual-use capabilities for civilian and military purposes. An aviation expert asserts that the successful commercial debut of the C919 grants China's indigenous aircraft access to the fiercely contested market for single-aisle aircraft with 150 to 200 seating capacity, a pivotal sector in civil aviation. Furthermore, an analyst from China International Capital Corporation anticipates that the completion of the inaugural commercial flight will galvanize the entire passenger aircraft manufacturing ecosystem, spanning design, production, parts manufacturing, training, and maintenance. The C919 garners considerable attention from both experts and airlines, renowned for its fuel efficiency, environmental friendliness, and sleek design. Comac envisions producing over 2,000 C919 aircraft in the next 2 decades, with the ambition to claim a 10% share of the global narrow-body aircraft market. Since its inaugural test flight in 2017, the C919 has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its safety and performance. Within 4,200 flight hours, China Commercial Aircraft Corporation has amassed over 10,000 orders valued at over $100 billion for the C919 narrow-body aircraft, showcasing customer confidence and competitiveness against industry giants like Boeing and Airbus. This success follows over 14 years of research and development, involving approximately 200 Chinese companies. According to a report by China Securities, domestic production of C919 components is already underway, with analysts predicting a continued rise in domestically sourced parts. The Chinese passenger aircraft market eagerly embraces the C919's entry. Prior to CAAC certification, China Eastern Airlines committed to purchasing 4 C919s in May 2022, each priced at nearly $100 million, with completion expected by 2025. By the close of 2022, Comac had secured 305 orders for the C919 in China, surpassing Boeing's 116 orders for its Boeing 737 family during the same period. The Shanghai Municipal Science and Technology Commission reported that Comac had received orders from 32 companies for a total of 1,350 C919 aircraft by the end of 2022. Zhongtai Securities forecasts the C919's market potential to reach approximately $192 billion over the next 2 decades, alongside supplementary segments of the industry supply chain. On September 28, 2023, China Eastern Airlines made headlines with their announcement of purchasing an additional 100 C919 aircraft, marking the largest ever order for Comac-manufactured jets. This monumental deal, shrouded in secrecy regarding its value, surprised global observers, including the U.S. While the standard list price for a C919 stands at $100 million, new models often command a 50% discount. Payments for orders are structured through a combination of own funds, bank loans, and bond insurance, with delivery scheduled in batches spanning from 2024 to 2031. As the inaugural user of the C919, Shanghai-based China Eastern Airlines has already procured 5 jets. The state-owned carrier emphasized the strategic timing of the purchase amid the travel industry's robust recovery from COVID-19 restrictions and the necessity to retire aging narrow-body aircraft from its fleet. With nearly 800 aircraft in its possession, China Eastern Airlines ranks as China's second-largest carrier. Since May 2023, it has proudly operated Comac C919 narrow-body aircraft, An independent aviation analyst commends Comac's auspicious debut in C919 deliveries, underscoring the significance of this milestone. In the upcoming phase, Comac will collaborate closely with China Eastern Airlines to demonstrate the reliability and performance of the C919 to potential customers. Notably, Gallop Air, a new Brunei-based carrier, has signed a significant agreement to purchase 30 Comac aircraft, totaling $2 billion, with 15 of them being C919s. This deal deals a blow to Boeing, which has seen no recent orders for narrow-body aircraft from Chinese airlines. Comac's production of the C919 is expected to aid China in reducing its reliance on foreign technology, with the government aiming for the C919 to secure 10% of the domestic market share by 2025. Prior to the C919, Comac developed China's inaugural jet model, the ARJ21, with orders already placed for 775 units. However, the aviation technology sector faces challenges amid deteriorating China-US relations, evidenced by restrictions imposed on certain subsidiaries of China Aviation Industry Group, Comac's shareholders. This stems from U.S. scrutiny of China's military-civilian integration strategy, aimed at modernizing its armed forces by amalgamating civilian research with defense industry firms. China's ability to secure substantial orders that rival the U.S. in the aviation industry is surprising, underscoring shifting dynamics. Do you believe this marks a notable shift in the global aviation landscape, particularly in relation to traditional industry leaders like the U.S.? Feel free to share your insights in the comments below. Join the Revel Discovery community by subscribing and stay updated on this critical shift in global economics. As we explore these significant developments, your perspective is invaluable. Keep engaged with us.